Here's what Poppi does to your blood sugar. I am wearing the Stello glucose monitoring app, and we're gonna have this. I'm gonna drink it within 15 minutes. I think that's pretty normal. I'm not gonna just chug it. Macros on this are 30 calories, 9 grams of carbs. Of those carbs, 3 grams of dietary fiber, 5 grams of total sugars. That includes 3 grams of added sugars, 0 grams of protein. Looks like this is sweetened by organic cane sugar, Stevia Leaf Extract. It does have caffeine, so let's dig in. All right, guys, all done. We gotta wait 2 hours, and I'll circle back with the results. Cool.
All right, guys, so I'm back in my Stello app, and I was at 93 milligrams per deciliter when I had it, and then 2 hours later, I'm at 91 milligrams per deciliter, so down 2 points. Now, it did spike up in the middle as high as 103 milligrams about an hour after I had it. I don't know if that's surprising or not. This did have sugars. Here's a nutritional info again. Hopefully this is helpful for you. If it tasted better, I'd keep this in my diet, but I just don't like the taste of it, and it's pretty expensive. But it is interesting. Hopefully this is helpful. Leave a comment if you want me to try anything out and show you guys the results. I'm always fasted when I have these. And subscribe if you want to tune in for other people's requests and see those results. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks. Bye.